Block and unblock someone in honors of king. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can block and unblock someone from the honors of king. So if you want to block and unblock the someone from the honors of king, first of all you have to simply open up your honor of kings on your device and you have to select the friends form. So on here you can see your friend, you have to select your friend here. So here you can see your friend icon. You have to just go for your friend here. So once you have selected your friend here, next is that you have to select the friend that you want to block or unblock them. So just go for the one of the profile here. Once you are here, just go for the one of the profile of your friend. Once you are on their profile, you have to go for their. So once you have selected your friend profile on the top, you can see the more option and go for the report option. And you can, so on the friend profile, you have to search for the block here and then you can simply block them. So go for the more option and here you can't find the block option and you can only report them. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily block someone on the honors of king. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.